I'm Rose from Shanghai Fz company. Today I will introduce our new product, frameless sliding door. It is used for sunroom, coffee shop, and terracing. It has four. It has 4 glass panels. We can slide first glass panel. Other 3 glass panels can slide together. Now let's look at our button track profiles. You can see it has four track button profiles. It is made of stainless steel, so it can make our door slide smoothly. Now door is open. We can enjoy